Yo, what's up guys? Osco Dan here, and I'm going to demonstrate a certain technique that I call the Rick Wayne method for capped deltoids. All it is just standard isometric hold for 3 seconds on the lateral raise. It's what he recommends from the book, arms above the rest. I think that's what it's called. And it's a pretty good read, and this is something I tried 1 to 2 times and I like it. You don't need a lot of weight when doing it. In general, you don't need a lot of weight when doing lateral raises because there shouldn't be too much momentum involved. Mike Mentor says you should at least be able to hold the lateral raise at the top for 1 second at least. And if you can't hold it, that's too much weight. The same rule applies to this. If you can't hold it at the top for 3 seconds, you're using too much weight. This principle of training is essentially what Vince Rodner preached back in the day called insurance repetitions. When he talked about this, he referred to back training. He said if you can't feel your back being tense during the workout, hold the contraction for 6 seconds, and that further builds the mind to muscle connection. I made a video about this a while back, and I think it's called how to build a mind to muscle connection. But yeah, anyways, you get a really good pump from this, and he recommends it for both the lateral raise and the rear delt fly. He doesn't really talk about the front raise too much because me and him are on the same page about front deltoids. At a lot of the exercises you already do work the front deltoids. So in the actual shoulder program he provides you, he doesn't even mention front raises in the program. Hence the reason I stated earlier, and that's it guys. With that being said, subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know how this works out for you. Give this video a like. Thanks for watching. This is Osco Dan checking out. Peace.